Here comes a monumental set of waves, breaking half a mile out and reforming, sweeping into the Coombe, barreling and crashing into the cliffs. Sheer power of the waves today. Not seen anything like it in my life. The wind is howling, spraying 20 meters into the air. It's crazy. I wonder where the seals are today. Look at that. Ooh, look at this one. It's hard to get an idea of scale, but spraying up. So the cliffs are starting to hit saturation point. This is at the far end of Maidenkin Beach. You'd be advised to stay as clear as you can over the next few days because there's more and more rain forecast. We're going to see some movement, I'm sure. Keep your cameras ready. Oh dear. I think there'll probably be some damage on the seafront. Paving slabs being lifted. It's been like this for a few days now, so it really takes its toll, you know, on the infrastructure. They've done a lot of work along here to strengthen the sea defences, but the storms are getting, look at that one. The storms are getting stronger, the waves are getting bigger. Wow. Took one then. Just need to turn the wipers up a bit higher. It's going to be an interesting winter. Feels like it's only just getting started. Bit of a rock slide over here at Ledges. At first you think, okay, it's just a bit of mud. And then you look down below and you got some huge boulders there. This one, and this one that have all come down in the last couple of weeks. In the distance over there, see this couple of seals chilling on the rock. It's a beautiful day in January. Say hi, Lauren.
Hi.
Hee hee hee.